As an engineering company, how can you benefit from EveryEng? Enhance knowledge of your existing team. EveryEng can help your team to enhance their knowledge regarding your domain by learning and sharing with experts on the platform. Improve the soft skills of your team to help them grow and prosper with the help of well-known mentors. Reach the industry by networking. EveryEng helps your company expand your network within the industry. Your team can discuss challenging topics with industry veterans, showcase your industry expertise to a wider audience than ever before by arranging a seminar or webinar. Make a mark within the industry by sharing case studies, awards, or experiences via stories that help you demonstrate your company's strength. Expand your business. Engage and hire the world's best engineering experts at cost-effective rates. Assure your client through timely delivery. Earn more profits by reducing fixed overheads. Grow, reach, and expand your business all in one ecosystem so you can browse as per your interest and participate where you get maximum value. EveryEng, everything for engineering.